Okay, welcome back to Hanger 51. We're going to do a maiden flight on the LX Models Wildcat. It's got folding wings, guys. They're not electric, just like the real one. They're manual, but you can unlock them and fold them back just like the real thing. And it also has very, very scale landing gear. Here we go, taking off. Gear up. Need some right trim. Needs a little down trim and a little right trim. Alright. Alright, let's see what we're doing here. Still need some more right trim. Very nice flyer though. God, it flies real stable. Real stable. Nice flyer. Wow, this is nice, guys. Okay, I think we got it trimmed out now. It looks pretty good. Not bad. Pretty cool. Let's try a bank to the right here. Okay, so we got a little too much rudder in it. Let me try that again. Got a left. That was pretty nice. Try it to the right. Yeah, still trying to, a little too much right rudder. Let me move it back to the left a little more. That's pretty good on the left now. Yeah, I like that. That's how it does to the right. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so I think we got the rudder in the right place now. And still banking to the right a little bit. Let's go the other way and see what happens here. So you speed it up and it climbs. So I'm backing it down a little more. I'm not full throttle yet. Okay, that's full throttle, but it doesn't like full throttle. I don't know if it's my battery or the motor, but it doesn't like full throttle. Alright, that's close enough. I don't have my telemetry. Let's land. That's pretty good though. It's flying pretty straight. Looks good. Banking about the same each way. So let's put the gear down. Make an attempt here. Man, that was beautiful. I hope I had that on camera. I might have had the hat too high, but beautiful maiden flight. That was wonderful. Alright, guys. So that's going to do it for that flight. Maiden on the LX model 1200 millimeter Wildcat. Very nice model. Like it. Flies very nice. Again, it's an LX model. You guys are all going to think it's underpowered. Yeah, it was a little slow in the takeoff, so it could be my battery though. I'm not going to say, but once you get it in the air, it's got plenty of speed. You know, if you want to wind it up, it's fallen off at top end a little bit, and I think that is my battery. So, but anyway, all right, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next review. Talk to you later. Bye bye.